Good morning. It is the 31st of March today. As promised, I am introducing you to some of the remaining plants in my garden. That's a red currant. It produces red berries which are beautiful and tasty. The birds love it. Next to it, that's a rose, and that's a bamboo plant. Few smaller plants with the flowers. A gooseberry, a thorny one. Need to be careful when you are walking around or working around it. That is a berry bush which produces red berries, and to make it produce the red berries at a very early stage, it has been grafted. So although it was grafted by the same variety, but that's the grafting giant, and now it produces berries at a very early stage. Otherwise it could have taken another 4 or 5 years to produce those berries. Next to those there are some roses and some other beautiful plants, and these are two plum trees, the magic trees. This one has been caught up by black magic. Looks like it was dying, so I thought it might completely die, but it started growing again. It was originally there were 2 grafts, so that one variety produces very nice and beautiful plums, but its growth is very clumsy. The branches grow in each direction. The other one that was originally budded with a yellow variety. At the top of it, over here, I had grafted 2 different varieties. One didn't take off, that died, but the other one, it is still growing. Needles are showing that it is going to grow in another few days. Just waiting for a bit of nice weather to come. There were few other grafts added onto these varieties which did not grow. So that was all about plum number 3, which has a yellow variety, another one, and that at the moment it has 3 different varieties. Next to that, that is a plum number 4. I had done some grafts over here which stayed alive for a long time, but after a long time they both of them died. I will put all their links below this video. There were few grafts done on that magic tree. That is one of it. That is a very nice variety from my neighbor's garden, and as you can see, these buds are just they have started growing. They are just waiting for a bit of nice and warm weather to come, which is taking a long time. Even today it is freezing cold, very cloudy. Next, that is a whip and tongue. This variety and these two, they are the same. This is whip and tongue, which has grown. That is a cleft graft. Both varieties are the same, but I have cut its top and added an apricot graft, which looks alive at the minute, but waiting for a bit of warm weather to come. Next to it, that is a double tongue graft, which has been successful, and now it has started growing. After that, there are few smaller bushes and plants which produce a lot of nice flowers. This one, which looks dead, but that is because of extremely cold weather. Otherwise it's alive. It's a bottle brush which produces very beautiful nice flowers. Next to it, that's another bush which produces beautiful pods, smaller flowers. Then comes this rose, which has been grafted with a few different varieties. That's one graft which is growing. That's another one. It's successful and growing. At the top, that's another one that's growing. So this will produce various different colors of flowers on it. That is quince, and it has been grafted with two different varieties. That one variety is different from the other one, and you can see the difference in the second variety, which was grafted onto that one, that has started producing those red flowers, but this one hasn't yet. So hopefully it will produce two different varieties of flowers on it. I am millions times smaller than a dot on the face of this universe. If you lose me, it will be hard to find me again. To avoid that situation, please subscribe to my channel, and you will have an easy access to me and to all my videos. Thank you.